So we're going to go through and take a look at each one of these phases. The first phase we'll go through and take a look at is reconnaissance. Then we'll go through and take a look at scanning. After we scan, the next thing an attacker does is he goes through and tries to gain access. If he is successful in gaining access, his next step is to maintain access to that system. And then finally, his last phase that he goes through is clears his tracks or covers his tracks to make sure that people don't see that he's been in there. Now, each one of these phases will get more in depth with additional courses here at Pluralsight. We'll have one complete course on reconnaissance. We also refer to it as footprinting. We have a whole separate course coming up that is just about scanning, one about gaining access, maintaining access, clearing the tracks. All these things we'll be covering. This, again, is designed to be, you've heard me say it before, a 10,000-foot view.